Good morning, students. This is again another part of admission of a partner. Over here, again, we will be learning about some typical sums on calculation of sacrificing ratio and new ratio. So let's begin. See the first sum. A, B, C, and D are partners sharing profits and losses in the ratio 36, that is their old ratio. 36 is to 24 is to 20 is to 20. This is their old ratio. E joins into the partnership for E joins for 20%. Now, when E joins for 20%, the share of ABCD in future, they will share the profits among themselves. That ABCD will only share the profits in the ratio 3 by 10, 4 by 10, and 2 by 10, and 1 by 10. This ratio. Calculate new PSR after E's admission. So when E is getting admission, what is the new PSR? See the solution. Total profit, always remember, is 1. Out of that, 20% will be given to the new partner E. So how much profit will be left? 80%. If I turn this 80% into fraction, 80 by 100, which is nothing but 4 by 5. 80 by 100 is nothing but 4 by 5. See, 2 4 ja, 2 5 ja, 4 by 5. So 4 by 5 is the profit left, which is to be shared by ABCD in the ratio 3 by 10, 4 by 10, 2 by 10, and 1 by 10. So A's profit is 4 by 5 into 3 by 10, B 4 by 5 into 4 by 10, C 4 by 5 into 2 by 10, and D 4 by 5 into 1 by 10. So the ratio which is coming up is 12 is to 16 is to 8 is to 4. I have got 50 as a denominator for all the cases, and E was coming for 20 by 100. You can say 1 by 5, or you can say 10 by 50, making the same denominator. So our new ratio is becoming 12 is to 16 is to 8 is to 4 is to 10, which is nothing but the simple ratio is 6 is to 8 is to 4 is to 2 is to 5. We are dividing each part by 2. So this is our new ratio. 6 is to 8 is to 4 is to 2 is to 5 is the new ratio. And old ratio was 36, 24, 20, 20. In order to get the sacrificing ratio, though they have asked only new ratio, I am still finding out the sacrificing ratio also. So if I will be finding out the sacrificing ratio again, OR minus NR, 36 by 100 minus 12 by 50, or minus 24 by 100, or minus 6 by 25, whatever you do, you will be getting 12 by 100. Similarly, for B, it is minus 8 by 100 because B is going to gain in the future. C will be getting 4 by 100. C over here, 20 by 100 minus 8 by 50, which is 4 by 100. And D, 20 by 100 minus the new ratio, which is 4 by 50, that is 12 by 100. So the sacrificing ratio is 12 is to 4 is to 12. And B was gaining minus 8 and E was gaining 20. If you will notice, dear students, that 12 plus 4, 16, 16 plus 4, 28. So their sacrificing is 28 and their gaining is also 28. So 28 is to 28 is their gaining and sacrificing ratio. Next, A, B, and C are partners sharing profits in the ratio 4 is to 3 is to 2. They admitted D for 1/9 share. It is agreed that A would retain his original share. Calculate the new PSR and sacrificing ratio. Calculate the new PSR and sacrificing ratio. So let's do this one. If you will notice in this sum that A is not going to sacrifice anything. A is retaining his old share. So A's old share was 4 by 9. 4 is to 3 is to 2. So 4 by 9. He is retaining 4 by 9. So 20 by 45. Why 45? Because I am multiplying both of them by 5. So that everywhere I will be getting 45. Now B's share is 3 by 9 as given over here. The old ratio 3 by 9 and C is 2 by 9. P and C is sacrificing in the ratio, the remaining ratio 3 is to 2. You notice that when A is not sacrificing anything, B and C is sacrificing in the ratio 3 is to 2. And what they are giving? They are giving 1/9 share of A. So see 3 by 5 into 1 by 9. So 3 by 5 into 1 by 9. See the board, students. 3 by 5 into 1 by 9. B is sacrificing. So it is giving how much sacrifice? It is uh, 1 by 15 B is sacrificing. Similarly, or you can say 3 by 45 B is sacrificing. And C is sacrificing how much? 2 by 5 of 1 by 9. That is nothing but 2 by 45 is sacrificing. Therefore, B's ratio will become what? As given over there, 3 by 9 minus 3 by 45. 2 by 9 minus 2 by 45. So the new ratio of B and C is 12 is to 8. And total new ratio is 20 is to 12 is to 8 is to 5 by 45. 1 by 9 I am turning into the same denominator so that we can get the new ratio. Always remember, you have to make the same denominator in order to write the ratio. So 20 is to 12 is to 8 is to 5 is the new ratio. Sacrificing ratio is old ratio minus new ratio. Old ratio is what? Old ratio is 4 by 9 and new ratio is 20 by 45. So 4 by 9 minus 20 by 45. Old ratio of A is 4 by 9. New ratio of his is still 4 by 9 or 20 by 45, as I have already found 20 by 45. Still 0 because he is not sacrificing anything. B was getting 3 by 9. His new ratio is 12 by 45. So we are seeing that he's sacrificing 3 by 45. 2 by 9, C was having 8 by 45 is new ratio. So old ratio is 2 by 45. His sacrificing ratio is 2 by 45. And D was gaining. So when he is gaining minus 5 by 45, the person who is gaining 0 minus new ratio, 0 is the old ratio. So 0 if is the old ratio, then 0 minus the new ratio is minus only. So the answer is coming in minus 5 by 45. So that is sacrificing is equal to gaining. It's matching, that means sum is correct. Next sum, let's see. Red and white are two partners sharing profits and losses equally. They admitted black for 1/4 share in the future profits sharing. Future profit sharing ratio between red and white would be 3 is to 2. Find out the new PSR and SR. So see, the total profit was 1. Z was coming for 1/4. So profit left is 3/4. Red is going to sacrifice 3 by 5. 3 is to 2 is they are going to sacrifice. Their future profits they want to share among themselves 3 is to 2. So 3 by 5 into 3 by 4. White is giving 2 by 5 into 3 by 4 that they are going to get. That means red is going to get 9 by 20. White is going to get 6 by 20. And black, who is coming for 1/4, if I will make it into 5 by 20 into 5 into 5. So it is 9 is to 6 is to 5 is their new ratio. Whereas their sacrificing ratio is old minus new. That will be giving me 1 by 20 and 4 by 20. And black was coming for 5 by 20. So it is nothing but gaining is equal to sacrificing, that is equal to 5. So this sum is also gaining is equal to sacrificing. In every sum we will see gaining ratio is always equal to sacrificing ratio. Now yet another sum. A and B are partners sharing profits in the ratio 4 is to 2, 4 is to 3. They admitted C into the partnership. They admitted C into the partnership and decided that the profit sharing ratio between B and C shall be the same as between A and B. Calculate the new PSR and the sacrificing ratio. Now this sum, students, you have to understand, it's very, very good sum. So this sum, see the board, students. This sum, see the board over here. As per the sum, A and B are partners sharing profits in the ratio 4 is to 3. Okay. They admitted C into the partnership and decided that the profit sharing ratio between B and C shall be same as between A and B. A and B, whatever ratio is, between B and C also the same ratio will come. Now I have to find out the C's ratio because C is coming. I am just taking C over there. Simple equation I am solving, making C as a subject, and we got B square by A. B going up, so B square by A, which is nothing but B into B by A. That is nothing but B is, that is C is equal to B into B by A. C is equal to B into B by A. B into B by A. Now we remember that B's ratio was what? Between B and C, the ratio is 4 is to 3. Yes. So B's part is 3. 3 and A's part is 4. So 3 into 3 by 4 is nothing but C's ratio. Now see the solution over here. So A's ratio is 4 is to 3. A's ratio is 4, B's ratio is 3, and C's ratio is 3 into 3 by 4. So if I will make it simple, it will become, I just multiply each of them with 4. You see over here, what am I doing? 4 into 4, 3 into 4, and 3 by 4 into 4. And 3 into 3 by, and 3 into 3 by 4 into 4. So when I'm multiplying 16 is to 12 is to 4, 4 cancel, 3, 3 are 9. 16 is to 12 is to 9 is the new ratio. We can easily again compare SR is equal to OR minus NR. Old ratio between A and B was 4 is to 3 only, so 4 by 7, 3 by 7. New ratio of there is 16 by 37. 16 plus 12 plus 9 is 37. 16 by 37 and 12 by 37. When I am solving it out, I am getting 36 by 259 and 27 by 259. C was coming for 9 by 37. If I make it the same 259 ratio, I multiply both numerator and denominator by 7. I get 63 by 259. New ratio is always in minus because old minus new. There is nothing in old. So minus 63. Minus 63 and 36 plus 27, that is 63. That means SR is equal to GR in this sum also. So we have understand a new sum again. One more sum. X, Y, and Z are partners sharing profits and losses in the ratio of 3 is to 2 is to 1. W is admitted as a new partner for 1/4 share. And Y sacrifices half from his share in favor of W. Y at once is giving half of his share. Y's share was how much? 3 is to 2 is to 1 means 2 by 6 was Y's share. 2 by 6 half is 1 by 6 Y is sacrificing. So profit left to be given to W is 1 by 4 minus 1 by 6 because 1 by 6 Y is giving him. So he is left to be given with 1 by 12 or 2 by 24, whatever you say, 1 by 12. He has to be given 1 by 12. This 1 by 12 will be given to him by A and B in the ratio, by X and Y in the ratio 2 is to 1. So 2 by 3, 1 by 3. X is giving 2 by 3. That is, X is giving 2 by 3 of 1 by 12. And Z is giving 1 by 3 of 1 by 12. Why 1 by 12? Because 1 by 6 is already given. 1 by 6 is already given to him. See over here, 1 by 4 he was getting, 1 by 6 already given by Y. He is left to be given 2 by 24, that is 1 by 12. In which ratio he will be getting this? He will be getting this in the ratio, as given by Y and Z, in the ratio 2 is to 1 he will be getting this. 2 is to 1 he will be given 1 by 12. That is shown over there, that 2 by 3 into 1 by 12 is what X is giving, X is sacrificing, and Z is sacrificing 1 by 3 into 1 by 12, that is 1 by 36. So our sacrificing ratio is 6 is to 2 is to 1 in this sum. New ratio is old minus sacrificing. A new ratio, again a new formula, old minus sacrificing. 3 by 6 is the old ratio, 2 by 6 and 1 by 6. Sacrificing is 2 by 36, 6 by 36 and 1 by 36. See, 1 by 6 also means 6 by 36 as Y was getting. So our new ratio is becoming 16 by 36, 6 by 36 and 5 by 36. We have a little doubt. Let's check it whether SR is equal to NR is happening or not. So our SR is 6 plus 2 plus 1, that is 9. And see our new ratio, which is 9 by 36, is also 9. So SR is equal to GR. We have to make the same denominator to compare this. 36 over here, the denominator. Over here also see 36 the denominator. 2 by 36, 1 by 36 and 6 by 36. So our denominator is coming same. So our new ratio is 16 is to 6 is to 5 is to 9. 16 is to 6 is to 5 is to 9. And SR is equal to GR. See the last sum of the day. A and B are partners sharing profits in the ratio 3 is to 2. They admitted C for 1/8 share and D for 1/4 share. Two partners are at a time admitted into the partnership. Very simple sum. Total profit 1, minus 1 by 8, minus 1 by 4, 5 by 8 of the profit is left. That has to be given between A and B. They are sacrificing the ratio 3 is to 2. So 3 is to 2, the remaining part of the profit they will be taking. 5 by 8 into 3 by 5, that is 15 by 40. 5 by 8 into 2 by 5, that is 10 by 40. C was coming for 1/8. I make it into same denominator. So multiply by 5, both numerator and denominator. So 5 by 40. Same in case of D, which is 1 by 4. So multiply both of them by numerator and denominator by 10. So 1 into 10, 10, 4 into 10, 40. So our new ratio becoming 15 is to 10 is to 5 is to 10. That is 3 is to 2 is to 1 is to 2. We know our sacrificing ratio OR minus NR. So sacrificing old ratio A 3 by 5, B 2 by 5. New ratio A 3 by 8 and B 2 by 8. So 3 by 5 minus 3 by 8, 2 by 5 minus 2 by 8. And we got 9 by 40 and 6 by 40 after solving. And 6 plus 9 is 15. The new ratio, the partners were coming. See, C is 5 by 40, 10 by 40. Denominator 40, 5 plus 10, 15. And over here 9 by 40 and 6 by 40 is the sacrificing. 9 plus 6 is also 15. That means GR is equal to SR. The main conclusion is over here that whenever you get this typical type of sums, always see that GR is equal to SR is happening or not. Gaining ratio is always should be equal to SR. Then you will understand that the sum is correct. Thank you, students. Before I leave, there is one homework. This is the homework which you will be doing and sending me through comment if you have any problem. Thank you, students.